Imagine a future where global money moves invisibly, where speculation is just a distant echo, and the true strength of a digital asset lies in its unquestionable utility. Are we on the verge of this evolution? Please note, the content of this video is for informational, educational, and market analysis purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. This is RC Invest Global. Before we dive into a report that's sparking debate about XRP, hit that subscribe button and leave a like. If you want to decipher the real market fundamentals and get access to analysis that goes beyond daily charts, join us now. Let's get straight to the point. Many focus on the price of XRP obsessively, but several recent market analyses are beginning to project a hypothetical scenario for late 2025. Not a guaranteed date, understand, but a possible horizon for a significant transition. From what? From the era of speculation to the era of massive banking utility. The core of this thesis, often overlooked, is a technical concept, the liquidity feedback loop, and this is crucial. Think with me. A bank uses RippleNet and On-Demand Liquidity, ODL, to move 10 million euros. It needs near-perfect efficiency without losses from exchange spreads. This demands a market with deep liquidity. The more institutions use the system, the more liquidity is needed. It's a spiral. More liquidity means fewer spreads, which in turn attracts even larger institutions, which demand stability to move billions. A virtuous cycle is created, where the demand isn't for buying low and selling high, but rather for the intrinsic need for an efficient financial service. But there's another crucial piece to this puzzle. While the demand for utility skyrockets, the report observes an intriguing metric, the availability of XRP on exchanges. Think of the real estate market. If demand for apartments in an urban center explodes, but owners withdraw properties from the market for long-term investment, what happens to the supply? It decreases. Combine that with a potential increase in demand for using the ODL system, and we have a scenario that suggests potential scarcity pressure. We're talking about infrastructure updates to the XRP ledger, the XRPL, designed to increase its capacity. The argument? The market might gradually stop reacting solely to tweets and fleeting news and start responding to the actual volume of processed cross-border payments, a significant evolution in market fundamentals. Now, let's analyze the economic logic behind this theory. For XRP to act as an effective bridge for large volumes of capital, some analysts argue that the current price could present liquidity challenges. Moving gigantic sums with a low unit value asset would require a colossal amount of tokens, which could cause volatility. The hypothesis suggests that, to function as global infrastructure, an organic appreciation of XRP would be favorable to absorb these transfers seamlessly. This is what they describe as infrastructure utility-based appreciation. It's not a promise of gains, but rather a theory where the asset's value could align with the system's requirements to operate efficiently. XRP, in this scenario, is seen as the future's financial conduit, whose importance would be fully revealed if the flow volume truly becomes massive. RC Invest Global's perspective is clear. This analysis points to a future where fundamentals could outweigh speculation. The liquidity feedback loop would be the catalyst. If RippleNet's adoption continues to grow and the supply of XRP on exchanges decreases, the price dynamic could evolve, reflecting institutional supply and demand laws more than short-term volatility. Set aside the momentary noise. Focus on ODL volume, banking partnerships, network evolution. These are the true signals to observe for an asset's health and adoption. If this video changed your perspective on XRP, comment below "real utility." I want to know who's ready to delve deeper into the analysis. Don't forget to subscribe to keep following these market discussions. The financial landscape doesn't wait, and neither do we. See you in the next video.